Are you tired of tried side hustle after side hustle, but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money all in this month. So hey guys and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So the first thing that you have here is Google Play. So in Google Play we have here Temu by Azamolier here and we have other things. For example, we have here over than 100 million of downloads and you can just start install this application. But also you can use your web browser and I've entered Temu.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Temu is a great platform for you. By leveraging its user-friendly features, you can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profit. So, if you want to become an affiliate program, all you have to do is just participating in affiliate marketing or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable ventures. So you can just tell people once you start with Temu by clicking on my link and you get $100 and you buy whatever you want. So right now if you want to become an affiliate program, all I have to do is click for affiliate and influencer, earn commission, then you will find this page. So here we have here affiliate and influencer program. We have the first information here, which is earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer. Earn substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Try now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. So we have here also empowering affiliates, tailored benefits for every profile. We have the first one, it's authorized influencers. As a user authorized through our platform, enjoy a range of benefits including we have a 20% commission, generous commission rates on orders, abundant credits, access a wall of credits for additional perks. Then we have user download bonuses, receive rewards for every user download. Then we have your websites. As a registered website, affiliates enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform. As a registered website, affiliates enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform. So you have a high commission rate, benefit from generous commission rates on orders. Then we have here tailored benefits, adjustable commissions that match your performance. If we scroll down, we have here over than 300,000 people have joined us, and also we have here affiliate extra rewards. We have here they win, as you can see, and we have here per week earn. And about referral extra rewards, we have here $100 coupon bundle. New app users. So you can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after the initial download. Free gifts, we have new app users also here. Maximize your affiliate potential. Your referred app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features, but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from Temu. Then we have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. We have the first step, which is join. Enlist in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Then we have the second step, which is share. Strategically share your link code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. Then we have earn, achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversion rates for maximum earnings. So now I will give you how you can get started and share your link and convince people to click over your link and you earn a commission. So we have the first application or the first site, which is TikTok. So to earn money on Temu through TikTok, you have just to start by creating a catchy videos that showcase popular products like that. Highlight special links in boxes or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So we have here first examples on TikTok. Then we have Pinterest. So to earn money on Temu or Pinterest, you have just to create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include your affiliate link in the pin details. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion. Regularly update your posts with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your links and make purchases, you'll earn commissions on those sales. So right now we have Reddit. So about Reddit, all you have to do is just join relevant subreddits where you can share product recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items, and include your affiliate link. Follow subreddit rules, engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights. Use a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks. Post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with Reddit, and right now I will show you how you can start with Instagram and YouTube also. So to make money on Temu, Instagram, and YouTube, you have just to start by creating engaging content that showcases popular products. On Instagram, you can just post eye-catching photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link in your bio. And then we have YouTube also. On YouTube, you can just create unboxing videos, review or tutorials, placing your affiliate link in the video description. Then use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility. Then engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So it works with Instagram and YouTube also. So leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money through Temu by creating engaging and informative content that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate links. You can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business tips tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead. So I'll get started right now. You can just click over here and you sign up with Temu.